Hello students, here is our next activity of computer wherein we will be using MS Word once again and we will also be learning a keyboard shortcut over here. For that, open MS Word and type any two differences between RAM and ROM. Okay, as you can see, MS Word is already opened right in front of you. I showed you in the last video how to open it. If you do not know how to open MS Word, you can watch the previous video. Okay, so what we have to do is type any two differences between RAM and ROM. Now it is not necessary that these differences would be directly from your textbook. I will just make up any differences right now, okay? First we will start with RAM. I'll just type over here RAM and I'll press enter button. It will take me to the next line. For the first point I will just put the full form, that is random access memory. Okay, now the second point that I'll put over here is RAM stores information temporarily. Now what we have to do is type the RAM that we have already done. We have finished typing this portion. Press the tab key thrice. What is tab key? I'll show you over here. On a keyboard you will find tab key over here. Now it is not mentioned, but on most of the keyboards they will mention TAB over here. What tab does is, instead of pressing space, you can see here, I'll just zoom in a little bit. You can see when I press the space button, what happens? It will just move one character in front, right? But when you press the tab button thrice, you see what happens. 1, 2 and 3. About 5 or 6 characters at a time. That means we have moved about 45 or 50 characters now, okay? So after pressing it thrice, type the heading ROM. Okay, so we have typed the heading. After that, press the enter key twice. 1, 2. So it has come down. Set the font size to 14. Font size over here 14 and type the points in italics. What do you mean by italics? It is over here. Click on this, it will turn to italics. You can see now it has become slanting, okay? Type the points in italics that you have understood in the class. Okay, now for the first point, I will copy this same thing but related to ROM, that is read-only memory. Now next point, I'll just put any random point over here. Okay, so this is done. Save the file using Ctrl+S key combination. What do you mean by Ctrl+S? This is a keyboard shortcut for saving any file. We also have a save button over here, or you can go over here and you can click on save. Now you see, without doing anything, if I keep my cursor over here, it will also show me the shortcut Ctrl+S. So we won't be using the option from here, but I'll do it from my keyboard right now. And how to do it? Hold down the Ctrl button and then press S button. Now see what happens when I do that. Ctrl+S. What we have to do is specify the name of a file in the file name box and click on save button. As I told you earlier, in most of the computers, it directly goes to the documents folder. See, it has come to the documents folder over here. We'll give a file name, difference between RAM and ROM, and I'll just click on save. Next, close the application by clicking on close button on the title bar. What do you mean by title bar? On any window you will see the name on top. See, I saved the name, now it is showing me the name. So from here to here is known as the title bar. Close the application by clicking on close button. So that's it for this video. Thank you, students.